The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Guardian Group Life Insurance Policies. Live secure, live easy. Of course, we all hope that our loved ones will always be safe. But just hoping won't protect your family. Which is why Guardian Group Life Insurance Policies are designed to take care of your family if anything should happen to you. So you can all feel a little more secure. Live secure, live easy.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Co-chairman of the Economic Policy Oversight Committee, Richard Biles, says based on Jamaica's performance, including the primary surplus and the net international reserves targets, the private sector expects the island to receive a positive assessment from the IMF under Jamaica's 4-year extended fund facility. Biles was addressing journalists at today's 21st Epoch media briefing. Though there is optimism that Jamaica will be successful with the IMF's review of the December quarter, there was a snag along the way. Tax revenue underperformed by $9.7 billion or 3.6%. Biles appeared bemused when he made this revelation regarding unused grant funds.
There were grants available, free funds with no repayment terms, amounting to $1.8 billion that we failed to draw down because the paperwork was not complete. The Ministry of Finance has given their undertaking to Epoch and their assurance that that paperwork and that drawdown will be complete before the end of this fiscal year, because these grants disappear if you don't use them out. Year to date on the revenue side, taxes are down $9.7 billion. So that's $2 billion more than they were down in November. So that's a continuing trend that we see. And the major taxes that are falling short are corporate tax and GCT. The corporate tax is down $6.6 billion and the GCT $6.7 billion. Now the March quarter is when many or most, if not all, corporations have to lodge their tax returns. So we expect, we look forward with expectation at what that tax number will be.
Mr. Biles says Epoch has asked Tax Administration Jamaica for a report on measures to improve tax compliance. Now for some news on the foreign exchange market, even as Epoch's co-chair Richard Biles expressed some surprise at the continuing devaluation of the Jamaican dollar amidst much lower oil prices this year, the trend continued today. The three regularly traded international currencies strengthened against the Jamaican dollar. The benchmark American dollar strengthened by 3 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $115.80, whilst its Canadian counterpart advanced by 45 Jamaican cents to close at $92.49. The British pound sterling jumped by $1.25 Jamaican to close at an average selling rate of $175.77. News on the Jamaican stock market now, where selling dominated activities and triggered losses in the indices. The main JC index fell by 189 points or 1/5%. Lasco Manufacturing, the preference stock JMMB 7.5% and Sagicor Group Jamaica dominated trading. 14 stocks traded, with 5 advancing, 6 declining and 3 holding firm. Winners were Carreras, JMMB, Mayberry, Medical Disposables and Supplies and NCB. The losers were Grace Kennedy, the 3 Lasco companies, Proven Investments and Sagicor Group Jamaica. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Guardian Group Life Insurance Policies. Live secure, live easy.